You mentioned this digital workspace and how things have changed. One of the things that I actually didn't expect us to see, but we're seeing quite a few of them, is we were talking about third-party tools and solutions.
Mm-hmm.
We've run into and we've had to help migrate quite a few customers who have been on third-party solutions that are using Office 365, but there's some limitations that they've experienced. Now that they've been supporting these workforces, they've run into limitations with Teams or a few other things.
Yep.
And they've been forced to make a change.
Yep. And even some of those same customers run into scenarios where they can't see their real-time bill or their near real-time bill. And as we have talked with customers over the last year, customers want to see what their consumption is going to be on a day-by-day basis. And instead of just getting a bill at the end of the month or plus end of the month plus 15 days, that says, holy cow, you spent, $45,000 when your normal run rate up until yesterday was, or what you thought what your normal run rate was, maybe is only $10,000. But last month you spent $45,000 and we're telling you now and you have 60 days to pay. That you don't have that visibility anymore. Or you don't have, a lot of customers are running into that and now saying, I scaled up my workload. I need to know what it looks like. And a lot of the providers, CSP providers in Azure's case, master billers in AWS's, a lot of those providers can't share that information because it exposes their rates or it exposes other things that they don't want to make available. We've taken the track, and here at Stratum, we've taken it to just say, yeah, we'll grant it because it's not worth the fight. I'd much rather have you have visibility into it and help you drive down that cost. Deeper adoption for a lower price is always a better thing for everyone involved. So I will do whatever I can to help make that happen. And we've taken that strategy. We originally had tried to, like everyone else, be defensive on that and say we want to hold that, we want to know what's going on. But as we started to listen to the challenges that are being asked from our customers, we said, no, this has got to be a thing that we share and make available. So, cost center management, cost management, all the way through to I need to be able to integrate my Office 365 calendar with Teams. And maybe they're in different tenants, even though it looks like the same tenant. Also, we just ran into this one the other day. People putting customers in the wrong tenant, in the wrong clouds, in the wrong cloud footprint. Because they're a government agency doesn't mean that they have to go into a gov cloud. And conversely, just because they're not a government agency doesn't mean that they don't have to go into a gov cloud. So there's a few sovereign cloud. There's a few conversations either side where the traditional order takers, and I include myself to a large extent to that, the traditional order taker relationship of, oh, you want more Azure? Great, here's more Azure. Or, hey, you need more Office 365 licenses? Great, here's more Office 365 licenses. That traditional order taker relationship, you have to become a partner. You have to work with your customers and be a partner to do that.
Thank you for watching Stratum's Cloud Interrupted. If you like what you see, please subscribe, like, and share this video.